Good morning children. Welcome back to your maths class. So last class we were dealing with the topic fraction, isn't it? Last class we were dealing with the fraction. So today we are going to start a subtopic of fraction, that is numerator and denominator. And also what are the things that we do in numerator and denominator, that also will be discussed today. So today's session will be a little long, but please have patience and listen to the video from first to last, otherwise you are going to miss many things. Alright, so children, before I start a new topic, that is numerator and denominator, I had given you some homework last class, isn't it? So I hope you have done those homework, but look at page 120, question number 4. Write each of the fraction in words. What has been done for you? So the first one is already done in the book, that is 1 by half. That is already done in the book, 1 by half, isn't it? B, how do you write? 1/3. How do you write? 1/3. 1/8. 1/8. Then 2/6. 2/6. 4/7. 4/7. 5/10. 5/10. 4/12. TWELFTHS. Okay, please follow the ordinal pattern, otherwise your spelling will be wrong. 4/12 and 4/5. So this was your homework, and also there were many homework in the previous pages. I hope you have done. If you have not understood any part of the fraction, you can always call me in my WhatsApp number. Number is already given to you. If you have any doubts regarding any topic, you are free to call me, okay? In case if I have class, I won't be able to pick up your phone, but after I finish my session in the school, then you can call me in the evening, but before 7, okay? In the evening before 7, not after 7. Okay children, now today we are going to learn a new topic, that is numerator and denominator. So children, what is numerator and denominator? So before starting this chapter, let us write one numeral in fraction, that is, suppose say 2 by 3 or 2/3. So look at this. So the number that is above this bar is called fraction bar. This bar is called fraction bar. Fraction bar. Alright, so the number that is above the fraction bar is called numerator, and the number that is below the fraction bar is called denominator. Again I repeat, this line is called fraction bar. Alright, the line is called fraction bar. The number above the fraction bar is called numerator, and the number below fraction bar is called denominator. Okay, so the number that is above fraction bar is 2. 2 is numerator. 2 is numerator, and the number that is below the fraction bar, that is 3. 3 is denominator. Okay? Okay, understood? Again I repeat, we take a number in a fraction, and this line, this bar is called fraction bar. The number that is above the fraction bar is called numerator, and the number that is below the fraction bar is called denominator. So here in this fraction, 2 is the numerator and 3 is denominator. Alright, now children, okay, now point out numerator and denominator as N or D. Numerator as N and denominator as D. Alright, so I'll be giving you few things, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 5 and 4 by 6. So let us together write N for numerator and D for denominator. So here, what is numerator? 1. So 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Got it? Here 2 is numerator and here 5 is denominator. Did you understand? Here 4 is numerator and 6 is denominator. This is how we do numerator and denominator. Did you understand? Now again, I will be teaching you more about numerator and denominator. Children, please look at the board. I hope you have understood the difference between numerator and denominator. Now next is, we are going to write fraction whose numerator and denominator is given. Alright? So, here, numerator and denominator is given. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. So, when we have to make a fraction with this given numerator and denominator, how do we make? It is like this. This is fraction bar. So, numerator always above and denominator always below, 1 by 2. And another example, suppose numerator is 4 and denominator is 8. Alright, how do we write in a fraction? This is a fraction bar. Numerator is 4, that always goes above 4, and denominator is 8, that is below the fraction bar. Alright, this is how we do. Now we have more things to learn in this topic. That is, another question we are going to do is write the fraction. Okay, 2, 4, 6 as numerator. Write the fraction 2, 4, 6 as numerator and 14 as denominator. So how are we going to do? It is very simple and easy. Okay? 2, 4 and 6 as numerator and 14 as denominator. So always keep the above number. 2 numerator, denominator 14. Next 4 numerator, again denominator 14. 6 numerator and denominator 14. 3 numbers are given for numerator and 1 number is given for denominator. So when we make a fraction using this number, it becomes like this: 2 by 14, 4 by 14 and 6 by 14. Got it? Now next is, again see the board. I'm going to finish it fast. See, now write a fraction for each of the division numerals. Now see children, in this fraction you have to deal with division and also multiplication. So you have to be thorough with multiplication tables. Unless and until you learn multiplication tables, you by heart it, you cannot do. Okay, it will create problem later on. So here in fraction today, after I teach this numerator and denominator, we have to deal some fractions with division and multiplication also. That is how. Write a fraction for each of the following of the division numerals. Now division numerals, see children, division numerals. So how are we going to make a fraction? Now see, here I have written, this is division numerals. Alright. Next, now see, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 6. So how are we going to write this in fraction? It is very simple. Now see, this 1 comes numerator and 4 comes down. Alright, again 2 numerator and 7 denominator, 3 numerator and 6 denominator. This is how we convert division numerals into fraction. Got it? Now again, just vice versa. How are you going to convert fraction into division numerals? That we are going to learn now. convert fraction into division numerals. Now see, I'll be giving you some fraction. So you have to convert it into division numerals. Okay. Now 6 by 3. So how are we going to convert it into division numerals? Now see, 9 divided by 3. This is how we convert this fraction into division numerals. Now 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4. Now 6 divided by 3. This is how we convert fraction into division numerals. So after I finish this, we are going to step to another, that is multiplication. So children, OF in multiplication in maths represent the sign of into, that is multiplication. OF means into, multiply. Alright, now there is one question in your book, that is page number 125, 125. You can see now, for example, if I give you 1 by 2 of 8. See, 1 by 2 of 8. You have to convert this into fraction. So how are you going to convert? So first you have to make this off into multiply sign. So how are we going to do? 1 by 2 of means into 8. So you can cross multiply. There is no number here, so nothing to do with it. Just cross multiply. You know the table of 2? Yes, yes. 2 ones are 2. 2 how many times 8? 2 fours are 8. Again I repeat. This of represents the sign of multiply, into. So next step, 1 by 2 into 8. Okay. Then we have to cross multiply. Cross multiply means you have to cross, you have to just reduce the fraction. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Alright. So what we get here? Answer. 1 fours are 4. There is 1 below. You can either write 1 or you can just write 4. Both answers are correct. Okay, this is how we do of in fraction. Again, I will give you another example, that is 1 by 4 of 16. Okay, so what did I tell you? of means into, isn't it? So 1 by 4 into 16. Now as you know the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So what is the answer? 1 into 4. 4. You can write 4 by 1 or you can just write 1. Answer is correct. Alright. This is how we do fraction, division numerals and multiplication sign. So children, your homework for today is, I am going to give you some homework, that is page number page number 121, 121, 122, exercise question number 3. Page number 121, question number 1 and 2. Page number 122, 122, question number 3. Page number 123, question number 1 and 2. Page number 125, that class work, you are going to do all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So there are some more. That is page number 126. Page number 126, you can do that. And page number 127, only question number 6. This much for today. Next class, I will be teaching you equivalent fraction. Equivalent, that is also another subtopic in fraction. So next class, I will be teaching you equivalent fraction. So children, if you have any problem understanding this topic fraction, If you have not understood or if you have any doubt regarding this, you can always call me in my WhatsApp number. Homework I have already given. If you have any doubt, you can replay the video again and again and see. Okay, but remind you that this new second term semester video will not come in the previous one. Okay, you have to subscribe a new channel for that. New channel has been started few days ago, so you have to subscribe it into new channel and you will get it. If you have any problem, children, please be free and ask me. Okay, I will not mind, but please call me before 7. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. So, kiki apa tuh sih?